Amy Burris, makeup artist and hairstylist with High Point Salon, knows the importance of a proper hair care routine.
Since I became a cosmetologist, I see the benefits of not washing your hair every day. You want it to be shiny, healthy, bouncy.
So what is the deal with rinsing your hair with cold water?
The cold, it adds it locks in the moisture, it adds shine.
So maybe there is something to icing your long, short, or colored locks. According to Inverse Hair's website, when you use sub-zero temperatures, moisture is rapidly absorbed into the hair fiber, creating an enduring elevated level of hydration into the fiber. It comes with ice cores, a body that holds the ice cores, and a bag for storage. For starters, you need to freeze the ice cores in your freezer for 2 to 4 hours. We actually popped ours into the freezer the night before our test. Amy used a spray bottle filled with water to drench her hair, since it's stated for best results, start from wet hair. Next, she sectioned her hair off, then pulled the ice cores out of the freezer and slipped them into the body.
I hope it seals in the moisture. We'll find out after I blow dry.
There's ice on your hair.
Oh my gosh. All right, it feels a little weird, but it feels good. The first thing you want to do is automatically clamp down, but you don't. You just need to glide down. And it's such a cool feeling because it feels like you have 2 ice cubes going down your hair.
Time to blow dry.
The brush is gliding so much easier than it normally does.
Amy then finished her look with a few swipes to cool her hair.
It's giving you the gloss for the shine. It's giving you anti-frizz.
Yeah.
And it's putting moisture back in her hair, which we lose when we use that heat tool.
Inverse hair conditioning system, you passed the does it work test.